was no sand. There was no sea. No earth, nor sky. No grass, nor wind. Till fire met ice in the gasping void. And from this scream came the giant Ymir, first of all beings. Proud Ymir, cruelly killed, yet from whose bones and blood and brains the world was made. The world you walk and war upon.
There you are. Eivor, here's a tune for you. Want to liven your step.
Oh, there you are, my little dringer.
Go. So, you see our king? Yes, good. Come, Eivor. Did you find the ring? Yes. Now for our little plan. You see us talking. Be quiet as a wood mouse. And surprise him with our gift. You hold it out, like this. You look him in the eyes and you say, Styrbjörn King, may our clans be forever bonded in friendship and in love. You think you can do that for me? Good. Tonight, you will be the court and unite our people. I'm so proud of you, Eivor.
Get up, Olaf. Stay lucid, friend.
My sword is grown greedy. I'm ready to fight.
So nice having all of these hearty folk in our home.
I chewed the heads of joyless hill dogs. I imbibed Odin's brew, and I snipped a scraggly beard.
Oh, no drink in your fist? Come on, I'll find you something.
I can't. I have a tribute for your father.
Oh, what a piece. That must be worth 2 sturdy longships. Give it here. I'll pass it on.
My father asked me, Sigurd.
Suit yourself. But you're not getting any mead.
Valka Seder works through my hammer.
When you speak with the king, hold it up to the light. Show him the fine details. See there? I etched his name in runes on the outer band. You'll show him?
Mm-hmm.
You're just like your father, little berserker. Skull to you.
Skull!
You see? She agrees.
So, you have the ring? Good. This was worn by your grandfather in a battle on the Northern Way.
Mother,
Yes,
can we show Sigurd the canstones we stacked yesterday?
that's a good idea. We'll do that in the morning. First light. Now go. You have a gift to deliver.
Eivor, wait.
Skål! To Styrbjörn, the true king of Brugafolga! Tonight, we all made anew. Skål!
Eivor.
King, may our clans be forever bonded in friendship and love.
Thank you, Eivor. Now and forever, I am pledged to you.
Hearken well in Hall of Kings. On ocean steed my words gain wings. Odin's mead I forth will bring. For noble deeds I gonna sing. The brave men slain Valkyria waits. Rewards for strain to Valhalla takes. And horns resound the mighty horn. For those who fight! For those who fight!
Under attack! Kjotve's clan!
Ready yourself, men! Go. Not you, Ava. Not just yet.
It is foretold. The curtains are raised. Nothing is true until it is severed from the branches of Yggdrasil.
All right, wait here.
Now it's my turn to offer you to enslave you. Accept your fate, die a coward here before your people, and I will spare the rest.
Fight, my love! Do not listen!
If I give my life, will you spare my clan?
You have my word.
No. No, Baron. No, Aaron! Pick up your axe!
the same DNA. Not sure why.
Fix this or pull me out.
I can parse the streams with a filter. Hold on. Okay, we're good. Are we? I don't know what happened, but I can work around it. You'll have to pick a stream to keep things stable. There's a third option, too. I can let the Animus modulate your identity based on signal strength. It's up to you. All right, I'll lock it in and push ahead to a time where these streams are more synchronized.
How long have you been chasing me, Wolf-Kissed? 17 winters? 18? Do I now haunt your dreams? Do I warm your loins? You remember this? Ah, your father's axe. The weapon of a coward. A scorned snake. Ah, few things would please me more than to kill with this blade. But I know you would defy me to the death, fighting for a glorious end. That I will not allow. You will live your final days enthralled as a slave. Humiliated. Your death will be a lonely one. Kill the rest of his crew! Make them suffer! Eivor Wolf-Kissed is no more! That name is dead to this world!
You will be worth your weight in silver. To the ship.
You move, and I take your eyes, you hear me?
Wind's blowing from the south.
We can tack north, then cut west. Now, what did I just tell you?
Kjotve will skin you alive! You will never leave this!
No feast for you, Sunan. My crew is in danger. You must be my eyes. What do you see? My crew is in danger. I need to reach them.
see you, old friend.
Barbel's Nest, where that Oathbreaker is holding my crew. Lord freezes. One of Kjotve's men. I need to be careful.
This place is heavily guarded.
I feel better, stronger.
Sunan, guide me.
Kjotve's warriors. I should stay out of sight.
Lives. They fight like berserkers. Hey, we're wolf kid.
Eivor now tastes the slaver's wit. And with Prince Sigurd likely lost at sea.
Clash of iron. There's fighting nearby.
Dag, you old hound. You live.
I do. Slipped away in the sword clash. And what of you?
Kjotve tried to sell me off. A mistake he will regret.
Not today, he won't. I saw him board a ship at Aval's Nest not long ago. Sailed east, leaving our crew behind.
There must still be time to save our men. I will find them. You ready the longship?
You glory hound?
You would take the rescue for yourself, so the victory song is written about you.
I could storm the beach then. Slay 24 men, seize our dragon boat, and hoist the sail in triumph. Up to you.
No, I will take the beach. A far more dangerous path. You search the longhouse for our crew. Oh, and here. This corpse will not have need of it.
Go. I will meet you by the ship. Shitless warriors crawl through Owl's Nest like lice. If I use the main gate, I may attract attention. They will attack on sight here. The longhouse. My crew should be inside. Save that for later. Stretch your wings, Sunan.
Wait a minute! Come, bloodbag!
Squirm like that, and my axe will miss your neck. Unpleasant for...
You coward! Unbind me and stick an axe in my hand!
I owe you nothing, raven shit. Yours is a clan of thralls and peasants.
You! Lay that axe aside or die by mine.
You should be on a slave ship to Ireland, Wolf-Kissed. But if you wish to be my first sacrifice, Odin will be more than happy to receive you.
You just killed yourself, Atk.
You die now! I will sell you to hell herself! Kneel, Wolf-Kissed, and I will spare your life.
Shut your hole and fight!
Die, you sack of shit!
Father, you should have held on to this until the bitter end.
If I give my life, will you spare my clan?
Venin, no! Pick up your axe!
Kill them all!
No!
Eivor, are you bewitched? Unbind us!
What? Oh, yes, of course.
Well fought, Wolf-Kissed. Even if your wits were somewhat rattled.
Listen here. If you can breathe, you can fight. Now come, we take back... Listen here. If you can breathe, you can fight. Now come, we take back our ship.
You do not need to tell us twice.
Raggy, grab your oars. The whale road leads us home.
Gods, it's about time!
Stop yapping and start rowing!
Run up the sail!
Rather silent, Eivor. Anything to say for the mess you led us to?
We suffered no losses in this fight, and the men who humiliated us are dead. What is there to say?
Oh, something like, I was stupid, selfish, reckless, blind, bone-headed, and I smell like blood and shit?
I like my version better.
Eivor, look! Someone is setting up an outpost on that island.
Kjotve's men, gnawing at any piece of open land like dogs worrying at home.
Even with you half in the grave, we could easily take them.
Outstayed our welcome. Sail! Catch the wind!
Kjotve will come for us now, harder and stronger than before.
No surprise there. This war has spun on for 3 generations. I hardly expect him to relent.
Your hatred for that man burns bright, wolf-kissed. I could warm my balls on it.
Would you not prefer a pair of sealskin breeches?
Just take care, Eivor. Such hatred can make you careless. What he did to your father, he did to all of us. You are not in this fight alone.
Sail tight! Sail out!
Raise the sail, Eivor! Eivor, look! Military outpost!
We raid! won't survive, fool!
Show me what lies ahead. We're done. Let's get back to the ship. Can't raise the sail yet. Can't raise the sail here.
Gods, I love being out on the open water. The chill.
No raising the sail here.
The rolling waves. It gives a feeling of freedom. And
Sail
then
is ready
to look
when needed.
around and see the
Let the
rising
sail out.
fjords and glinting snow, I think, by the gods, the world is a place of wonder.
See there. The vaulted shoulder bones of sad Ymir. The bubbing seas, his blood. His brains, the soaring clouds. Fashioned for stout warrior folk by the All-Father and his kin. For all this, you must give thanks.
There you go again. Putting feeling into words that none here can match.
Try a verse yourself, Dag. Poems are not difficult if you give vent to your feelings.
I will feel my feelings as I always have, without words between them and me. King Styrbjorn will scold you for setting out against his wishes.
Of course he will.
Is that not something you worry over?
I worry only that our king will not see that I'm right, until it's too late.
What about Sigurd? What would he say?
If Sigurd were here, he would be sitting beside you, wiping the blood from his axe and smiling into the breeze.
And what will you tell our king about this misadventure?
Only the truth. That we attacked Kjotve's fortress, killed his men, and weakened his control of this land.
Will you mention the part where you lost your crew and were nearly sold as a thrall? Will that be part of your saga?
If there's a Skald to dare sing that verse, it will be his last song.
Well. We thought we had lost you, Eivor. For good this time.
A warm welcome as always, Randvi.
You look like reddened shit. What happened?
Nothing to crow about, except to say the men who delayed us are dead. And how are you?
Well enough. Though I have spent many tiresome days calming the rages of our king. He is not happy with you.
I expected as much. And what of Sigurd? Has he returned from his raids?
My husband should be home today. The last we heard, he was approaching Stavanger.
Good to hear. We have need of his courage.
Sigurd will not save you from his father's wrath, Eivor. You should know that by now.
Did your raid not go as planned?
They rarely go as planned. But we killed many of Kjotve's warriors. And there was this. My father's axe among the dead.
Ah. After so many years. You should take it to Gunnar. He will give it back its edge.
A good idea. After I see our king.
That I do not advise. Not yet. He is meeting with a messenger from the north.
I can wait.
A cloud hangs over you. Is something wrong?
Seeing my father's axe after 17 winters, it stirred something in me. A feeling I've not had since the day he was killed. Since the day I got this.
Memories of past agonies. Of sadness and pain.
I should speak.
Take your time getting settled.
I think you have lost your edge, Eivor. Just like that axe. Maybe Gunnar can help you with both.
I will let you know.
Eivor, looking rough you are. Welcome home.
Eivor, did you bring us any treasure?
I returned with a boat and a full crew. That is worth more than silver.
That doesn't count. You need silver. And jewels. Shut up, Rolf. How do you know? You never went on a raid. You shut up.
Drink! Let us amuse the gods!
All right, Tekla. I'll outdrink you. Hey, Tekla. What is brewing?
Alvis tells me... horns with me?
Like Odin, mead is my lifeblood.
That was well drunk. Well done. Well drunk done. Is there no one who will go around with me?
All right, Tekla. I'll outdrink you.
This land will never prosper while clan battles clan.
Well, look who it is.
Practicing your work?
Ah, you took... How about...
No. Hi. Can you point me to some good hunting grounds?
I could.
A worthy...
Hello, Eivor.
Caught anything?
Not today.
Hi. I can fetch this if you want. Thank you for selling to me. Nothing.
I have to go. See you soon.
Come and drink. Let us amuse the gods. Is there no one who will go around with me?
Who would like to hear a story? Who would enjoy a tale of the gods? There has always been war, even with the gods. When Midgardr was young, Asgardr was torn by strife. The battle-born Aesir hated the Vanya's magic, betrayed custom, and made murder.
Eivor, come to keep your blade sharp? Wolf-kissed, welcome back. Good. I can different.
That's all. Svein, have you decided any... Let me have a look.
Is there some... Sure.
Toby, trading a needle for an arrow, I see.
Eivor, can you teach me the art of archery?
I would be happy to. See how I'm standing. Plant your feet in the ground, no wider than your shoulders. Breathe in as you draw the arrow back. Look at the point you want to hit. Now...
Thank you, Eivor. Now, I have something for you.
See, all in the eye.
Thank you, Eivor. As a gift, I could design an...
A kind of...
Oh, I did not mean...
In my eyes, Zealand.
Was killed and burned, not once, but 3 times, and reborn as Freya, mother of the Valor. The war that came after echoes through the 9 worlds still. Midgarda would drown in the blood spilled, and their dead would hide the sun. Those bravely fallen, now buried, wait for Heimdall to blow the Gjallarhorn and summon them to battle one last time. Losses on both sides left each open to attacks from Jotnar and other monsters. So Odin, in his wisdom, proposed a truce and marriage to the war witch Freya. Oaths were made, horns were raised, and from the gods' mingled spit was born fully formed Kvasmir, wiser than Odin himself. This was the same Kvasmir whose stolen blood became the meat of poetry. But that is another story.
A good story, Holger. But I hear the voice of Styrbjörn in it.
A wise skald takes his words from the gods, and his orders from the king.
Come and drink! Let us up!
Can I interest you in a game of Orlog?
Velkomin! Flýið fyrir lifiður! Nú!
Nei, það var ekki bætt.
För Alderstamir!
Akka héðan! Renn! Renn!
Gangatos! Kom til Rotta!
Fate be my eyes. Sail out! Sing us a song. Who will share a tale?
Here's a tale to tickle your sides. Winter before, I was drinking in Stavanger with some companions. With us in the mead hall were men of Bard Jarl's clan, one of which was a poet named Halli, called Sarcastic Halli by most. 7 ale horns into his night, Halli stood upon his table and called across the room to another man, a skald named Tjodolf. Tjodolf, he yelled, I can compose a more beautiful poem with my belching than you could with your tongue and fine words. The room laughed, Tjodolf loudest of all. I accept your challenge, Sarcastic Halli, he shouted. Allow me to begin. Tjodolf then spoke this verse. Sad Halli drowns in horns of...
Bloodbath!
Your end is right here.
Keep at the knitting!
Down here. Come on!
Förum að brjóta eitthvað.
Ready! Bows! Bows! Fire! Ready bows! Fire! Sail! Catch the wind! You Salt scores. Got a story?
Did I ever tell you all the story of how I killed an entire clan single-handedly with the broken hilt of a sword?
Too often, dog. More times than any man can count.
Is there a sea scroll about?
Some years ago, I took to sea with a sword dancer called Ayin. A brooding warrior with a face of stone and oak-hard arms. On a raid in Corland, we shored up along the edge of a forest and explored until we came to People Pots, a large farm. It was night, and all were asleep.
Save it for later. Is anyone home?
This is not a natural quiet. It's as if a curse has befallen this place. Ornir and Ymir. Wonder where they've gone. Killed.
to face them. Fears realized, but your death will not be in vain. By wolves. None remain on this island. I should leave this place. That's odd. One who wanders widely and has traveled far will learn the scope of mankind's nature and discover common sense.
Finn om dyrgripan.
Let's hear a story.
Here is a story I have not told a man. For it happened only last month. I was sharing a mead horn with a beautiful woman. When she,
her sisters, and her mother all begged for your hand in marriage. Is that how this tale ends?
Yes. Were you there?
Fortifications there, Eivor.
All right, back to the story.
Yes. Were you there?
We need to row our way out.
Good sailing wind here, Eivor.
More
sail! A story from my youth. This one has no lesson to be learned.
Here is a tale I do not often tell. There was a clan, little known in the south, composed entirely of warrior women. And
Why you did not stay with them when they asked you to be their king, dog, I will never understand.
We need an epic tale.
I know a crazed man about my age called Roku.
You may not know this, but Ragnar Lothbrok once asked me to lead his early assault on England myself. This would have been 8, maybe 10 years back. It's hard to say. The winters blow into one another like a great white fog. But I remember as if it were yesterday. Ragnar appeared at my home unannounced. Naturally, I welcomed him. He had traveled a great distance only to see me. So I poured him ale and fed him bread and listened as he talked. He was feeling anxious about his journey, leading so many men into such a great war. It was a burden he could not handle. It was then, with tears wetting his lids, that he said, "Dag, teach me the art of war. Lead us to England and to victory." But I shook my head. "Ragnar," I told him, "I have 2 weddings I must attend soon. Were it not for these, surely I would help you." Ragnar bowed his head. "Thank you, Dag," he said. "Though you will not be on my ship, you will be present in spirit, and that is enough."
Who will share a tale?
There was a woman called Nal, who came by ship to Fornburg.
Oh, you have likely never heard the story of the time Odin and Freya appeared before me on a dark winter's night. They
called you their orphan child. Yes, dog.
Run
We've
up
heard
and
the
sail.
tale as often as the sun has risen and set. Unar the Ugly was an excellent...
Not long before leaving for England, I made a solitary trek into the mountains east of Thornburg. I was looking for elk or deer or other game to bring home. But my luck was poor, and I could find nothing worth my arrows. Coming up over a rise, I saw a rounded mountain ahead of me, with a strange narrow slit in the earth, running left to right. There appeared to be fresh water in this crevasse, which was strange, for it was on its side. As I approached, the ground rumbled, and the crevasse shuddered. Then it opened, as wide as a lake and ringed with color. Stepping back to take in the view, I realized with a shock what I was seeing. The Eye of Jormungandr, the World Serpent. Yes, he sleeps near Old Fornburg, blessing us with his dreams. Oh, if we could return there now, I would show you the place. One day, maybe. One day I will show you the place.
Is there a sea scald among you?
In the early days of the feud between Kjotve the
Pull up
Cruel
here.
and the Raven clan.
We will pick up from there. must be finished now. I could speak to...
You look like you know a thing or two about dice.
Surveying the area, Sunan.
Skeeter! Skeeter! Leifur! Leifur!
Show me.
For a cottage, her man. This after there was a only this.
Whatever happens, whatever I see,
We can drift.
I saw nothing, Volka. Felt nothing.
Javi! Javi!
walk among the dead.
Sigurd.
Sigurd! Brother, when did you arrive? What is this?
Brother! What is this?
There was no other way, Javi. Our fates are fixed.
Sigurd!
Steady, Eivor. Tell me everything.
I was on a mountain, in a I saw Odin, and the Nornir spinning.
Not watching. They were showing you the way forward.
I saw the gates to Odin's Hall of Slain Champions. They opened for me.
Shades of Valhalla.
And the wolf was eager for my attention, as if it were...
You are the wolf-kissed, fated to carry its mark for life. In this case, it might represent your ambition.
I do not know what else to say. My memories are faint, hazy.
Did you reach the summit of this mountain?
I did, yes. Sigurd was there. Wounded, and the wolf reappeared. The size of a dragon, twisted and terrible. It fixed its eyes on me and struck. Then I awoke.
The gods favor you, Eivor. They always have. You will have your glory, and you will earn your place in Valhalla. But these portents carry a darker truth. You will betray your brother, Sigurd.
That cannot be right.
The Nornir have spoken.
No! This is wrong. Or you misunderstood.
You will...
Oh.
Come! A little dice never caused any harm.
They must be
The king...
I'm ready to...
Excellent, King Styrbjorn. I will take this proposal to my nephew. I believe he will see the wisdom in it.
Good. It is all I can hope for. May the... May the winds favor your voyage, Guthorm.
Eivor, come for